Don't let your failures bring you down. Don't be a quitter. Always remember that persistence is the key, and that's what Lincoln did. If you're not aware of this great man's difficulties which he faced in life, let me tell you that his failures and his defeats which he faced just seemed endless. He could have quit, but no, he had a courage to face it. And the result is in front of all of us that he became one of the greatest presidents of his time. Now, if we go into counting his failures, some of his failures are like his mother died, he lost his job, he tried to run for the state legislature but got lost, he wanted to take admission in a law college but could not even get an entry to it. He tried to start his business again, which he had lost it, by borrowing money from his friends, but at the year end, he had to face a bankruptcy. Just imagine how tough time would have been for this great man. But did he give up? No. He tried and tried. Around 1834, he again ran into a state legislature, and this time he won it. Likewise, next year, he got engaged and was about to get married. बट वो कहते हैं ना कि किस्मत में आपको तभी मिलता है जब आपकी किस्मत में लिखा होता है, ना ज़्यादा ना कम. Unfortunately, his sweetheart died and Abraham had a nervous breakdown and he was almost bedridden for 6 months. He recovered from it, entered into the politics again and faced failures after failures, defeat after defeat. But what is the amazing factor in that facing the defeat, that he did not lose courage. He had a hope that maybe this is a testing time and one day he is going to win it. Yes, in 1860, he was elected as the president of US, and the legacy lives on as a man who changed the nation despite many adversities and failures. So we need to take an example from this great man that never quit, never give up. Your time will come because persistence is the key. Thank you and have a good day. Always remember, you are a fighter and you can make wonders for yourself. Thank you.